Hey, hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. It's Juju. Okay, this is Meg's January junk journal prompt. And we made our book, and our first prompt for today, January the 1st, is resolutions, which another word for that is goals. So I said, okay, I'm going to try this artsy, fartsy stuff, and we're going to do this. We are. This is a new year. Okay, we're tackling everything that makes us go, okay, so here we go. I decided that I do representation. That's kind of what artsy stuff is when you journal or journaling. So my goals for this year, I have, this is 1800 Beethoven paper. Lord Jesus. Okay. And this is an antique vintage paper that my friend Kim was one of the first things she sent me when I started this journey. So I have that in here. And then this page was intentionally left blank. That's a ha-ha from my girlfriends. Bella, for you girl. Okay, I'm going to be brave this year. Do things. Okay, so I have that on here. It's my goals, because I'm going to attempt stuff that I've been holding back and not doing because I was too afraid to do. I'm going to enjoy laughter and times with my girlfriends and family, and I'm going to have balance among it all. And as part of the wonderful little balance thing we have going on, I have my stamp and inking in the back, and I just use this stamp. I don't know where I got it from. That's what it looks like. I don't know. It's probably some of that Temu stuff I first got, or Amazon. That's where I was getting all my craft stuff a while back when I started buying. And I use this rubber stamp, and it is the pastel one, and it came in a grab bag, so I used it. Okay, and then of course I used my markers for that. So what we're gonna do, or what I was gonna do, is doodle on the antique paper. Doodle on the paper. Oh my Jesus. We're doing it. We're doodling on this paper. It's older than Methuselah. And I'm doodling. It was in pristine condition till I doodled on it. Now I done it. I done doodled on the paper. Oh Lord. It ain't even pretty to doodle, but it's all right, because we're going to do this doodling. We're going to doodle it up. I'm going to put a heart, because we got lots of love. Lots of love. Girlfriend love, family love, hubby love, son love. We got just lots of love. Our heart's just overwhelmed, and our cup's running over. Blessed, 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 and more blessed. That's why you hear it, Micah. Because this is representing all the little artsy stuff I've been trying to do. That's my lace, because I love the frilly stuff. So we can't leave the frilly stuff behind. Okay, y'all, just cover your ears, mute me. I'm going to cut this gun on. Make it run. Right. Almost through. Okay. I'm gonna do me some splats because I like it a little grungy. So I got me some black paint, and y'all know it is Craft Smart. You know, it's the stuff I stole from my sister. Hey, I love you, sis. Okay, I bought this from Dollar General. It is, okay, Craft Paint and Glow. It's supposed to glow in the dark. And I thought I'd open this up. I don't know if it's going to glow in the dark or not. But, you know, I figure we're going to put a little back 40 on it. And what would be more back 40 than your paper glow in the dark? I'm just saying. So, we're going to put a little water to water this down. You know, I ain't never done splats. I think I put too much water in the paint. I ain't never done splats before. Not like that. Not with the paintbrush. I got it for Christmas. Actually, I bought my sister some paintbrushes for Christmas. And this was in it. So I stole it. Because I know she already had one. And I told her she was okay with it. But, you know, I'm just saying. That's what sisters are for, right? Stood up craft supplies. Okay. I think I watered it too much, but it's okay. We're going to do it anyway. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. I like that. I do it better when you thump it like a cigarette. Oh, look. Okay, I got to hurry and get a piece of tissue because that's enough black. I want to get that big block off. I don't like the big block. Okay. All right, now. Look, you went back forward, look. Medicine bottle. Reusable, girls. You get a good medicine bottle with the child craft on it. I mean, the child lock thing on the inside of it. When you close it up, it won't leak the water. Okay. I'm going to take this glow in the dark with this wet brush. I'm going to see if I can fling it. I can fling it. I want it flinged everywhere because I want to see this from the sunshine. Put that in that. Mix it with that black. We're going to cover that black up with a pretty sticker because I don't like it. Y'all see why I put that paper down? Woo! Messy. Don't know what I'm doing, so that's going to make it messier. But you know what? I don't care. I like it. I do. I really, really do. Now, let me put this little heat gun on it. I'm going to dry that spot so I can put me a sticker on it. But it's taking too long. So I'm going to let it dry on its own. I'll just show you the sticker I'm going to put there. And y'all know I love, it was a pretty rose in here. Y'all know I love roses. Where'd it go? You know. Here it is. I don't want to tear that out, okay? And it is out of this book I got for Christmas. It is Bunches of Botanicals, and it came off Amazon. And I'm going to use that sticker. Cover that black spot because I don't like it. I like everything else. Matter of fact, I love everything else. That's what my year is. Complete chaos, as Pam from the Paper Outpost says. I'm going to create with complete abandonment. And that looks like I did it. Complete abandonment. And I just really like it. I like it. Thank you. I'll see you on the next go. Bye.